What's going on, guys? Today we are back. We got a whole bunch of parts to put on this 4Runner. Some front end stuff, a steering rack, a whole bunch of brake stuff, and yeah, the whole front end of this thing's gonna be redone and stuff like that. A little bit ago, this happened. So this is kind of a crappy situation, and I only got the phone right now, so you're gonna have to be okay with that. But check this out. 4Runner's up on ball joints, or up on ball joints, up on the jack here, because the lower ball joint failed. Huh? There's a photo right there. Yeah.